It's 10:27 p.m. March 8. We're packing on a trip for a 5-day trip. Sorry, wala akong brain cells ngayon. So I've decided to mag-pack a week before our trip kasi tomorrow is Sunday. It's going to be a pack day, family day, whole day family day. And then Monday to Friday is my working day. So Saturday, flight namin to, guess where? Yes, sa Japan. Biglaang trip siya actually. So habang nagkukwento ako, let's pack with me. So, hindi ko in-expect na pupunta pala ako ng Japan this year. Akala ko talaga yung mga travel plans ko will be next year na kasi medyo kumota na ako last year. So, for context, last year, 2024, we had a 15-day trip in Japan. We covered Kansai region, so Osaka, Kyoto, and then Tokyo. So, 15 days yun. Biglaan yung trip na to. Tapos, hindi naman siya super last minute, pero nag-book ako para mga 3 weeks before. And then, hindi rin mura yung flight, but thank you to my sister. Ganun, kaya din biglaan. Kaya parang carry mag-book ng biglaan. Kasi nakakuha kami ng multiple visa last 2023. It's a 5-year multiple visa. Thank you, Lord, and thank you kay Relly. We've been a loyal customer since 2019. I also just want to share my Japan visa journey. Yung first ever na Japan visa application ko was way back 2016. We got denied kasi I believe hindi to proven reason, pero I think kulang kasi yung requirements na pinasa namin at that time. And then 3 years after 2019, nag-try lang uli mag-apply with workmates. So that was my first Japan trip ever. I was issued with single entry. And then bumalik kami ng Japan by 2023. This time with my family naman. So ayun. Fortunately, and thank you Lord na na-approve naman. Tapos yun na yung parang yung journey ko, parang denied, single entry, and then multiple. Ayun, siguro, if there's any tip I could give, I think big help yung may work ka, or kung may business ka, and yung ma-prove mo lang din na kaya mong i-handle, i-shoulder yung mga expenses doon. So, I think yun yung nag-help sa akin, yung na employed ako, and meron akong ITR. Very important talaga yung may work ka, and yung meron kang mapapakita na parang you're a taxpayer. I'm not sure, pero super malaking konsiderasyon siya. And then yun, yung weather sa Fukuoka, ang forecasted weather sa dates na pupunta kami, it's going to be March 15 to 19. So yung March 15 to 18 ay rainy day daw. So I'm just going to bring my super trusted puffer jacket na score ko second hand to one of the influencers that I've been following for more than a decade now. It's ang IG name niya ay si Paxines, si Isabel Ipak. Ayan. Hi Paxines. Pinili ko sa kanya to online, parang basta hindi ko na maalala yung price, pero parang below 500 lang siya, around 400 or 300 lang siya. Super sulit. Sabi niya nabili niya to sa Korea, and I'm going to share just a photo of it na lang din. So yun, just pack with me. Here's my luggage, by the way. I'm going to share. Hindi to sponsored post, or wala namang mag-sponsor sa akin. Personal vlog ko lang naman. But we'll never know, right? Ito, super love this luggage bag. Super gusto ko talaga yung kulay niya. Hindi ko lang kung kita, pero yellow-green siya. Ayan. Gusto ko lang pala pakita yung mga babies namin dito. Fur babies. Ayan. They're packing with me. And then, see? Her name is Coco. And then the other one, that's Cici. Yeah, they're packing with me. I think nafe-feel nila na aalis ako. Yung isang cat kasi namin sa taas nung kinukuha yung mga gamit ko, tanabihan din niya ako. Anyway, ayun. So, ito yung large luggage ng anong brand to? Sea Choice. Sa Lazada ko siya nabili. Around 3,000 lang to. Parang mga 3,200 ganun. Nagamit ko na siya for 2 years na din. Okay naman siya. So far na parang ilang flights na ba yung kinaya niya. Parang 3 flights na, 2 parang Japan and then US. And yun, super okay naman siya. Lagi ko lang din siyang pinoprotect with the cover na nabili ko lang din sa Shopee naman. Parang anjologs nga nung kulay na yun kasi tip lang din. Bumili kayo ng mga luggage cover na yung hindi siya normal gagamitin. Yung color niya dapat hindi normally gagamitin ng tao. For my case, binili ko kulay brown. Sana nandito siya para I can show you. Kulay brown na parang tan brown. As in, alam mo yun, parang walang pipili ng kulay na yun. It's easy. Nakaka-help naman siya kasi madali siya for me na makita. Yun. Tapos, hindi pa to yung final packing. Parang kumbaga nagda-draft pa lang ako. Yeah, so, just gonna put it here. Alam niyo, may pangarap akong luggage. Yung parang yung Logel, di kung tama. Yung top lang yung mabubuksan mo, then salpak-salpakan na lang. Kasi when traveling to Japan, alam niyo naman, aliliit ng mga accommodations doon. Pero this time, medyo malaki ata kasi Airbnb tas sa Fukuoka. So, mas affordable lahat, ganyan. Yun, tapos nagpapack lang din ako ng mga thermal wears, inner. Actually, may na-score din ako ng mga second hand na heat tech Uniqlo. And by the way, yung heat tech ay exclusively for Uniqlo lang. Tapos ito, a neck pillow na hindi ko, a neck pillow na hindi ko naman masyado nagagamit, pero parang I think kulang ako sa tulog on air flight. Kaya, ayun. I also have me here my film roll. Yeah, Kodak Gold naman tayo this time. Yan. Tapos, ito. I already have my cards for the train. Pasmo. Alam ko hindi naman Pasmo dun sa Fukuoka, pero dadalhin ko lang just in case. Tapos Icoca. So, yun. Alam ko din merong different kind of card na ginagamit sa Fukuoka, pero nabasa ng kapatid ko na Icoca can be used in any regions in Japan, in prefecture in Japan. So, yun na yun. Tapos, lagay lang natin stuff. And, it's gonna put my my film cam. I've also scored this online. It's a Konica Big Mini. The name of the shop is Vintage Camera Hub in Facebook. Super yun. Bumili lang ako sa kanila once and okay naman. Tapos may freebie pa sila na sinama kasi live selling yun. Ayun. Ito pala. I also have me here yung panalunan ko sa Sebpak. By the way, Sebpak yung kadalasan namin sinasakyan kasi for the price, budget friendly. And yeah, I know maraming issues yung Sebpak, pero alam mo yun, na lang, parang just deal with it. Parang have patience na lang din, ganyan. So yun, sanay naman na kami with them. Kaya okay lang. So ayun, kukunin ko lang yung iba. So, I think somebody gave me this. Kamas, ikaw ba yan? Your workmate, Camille. She's also in Japan right now. Yan, siya nag-gift nito. So, tandalin natin to. Ang tagal, parang sa pagpunta-punta ko sa Japan, parang hindi naman ako nag-scarf doon. Pero, ayun na lang. Try lang natin this time. Added protection lang. Tapos yun, syempre laundry bag or parang dirty clothes bag lang para masegregate mo naman yung used na or hindi. So, ayun lang naman. May continuation pa to sa ibang araw kasi hindi pa nga kumpleto. hahanapin ko pa yung mga ibang gamit. So, yan lang. Bye!